Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about what is list comprehension in Python and different examples on list comprehension. What is list comprehension? First of all, we know the meaning of comprehension as ability to understand. So here the list comprehension means understanding the syntax for a list. What does this list comprehension provides? This list comprehension provides the short syntax. So it will provide you the shorter syntax. Why it provides the shorter syntax means we can create a new list based on the values of an existing list. So just now we said that list comprehension provides the shorter syntax and it provides you the creating a new list based on the existing list. This means it nothing but it returns a new list. The return value is a new list. So it doesn't change the old list. What is the syntax of this list comprehension? So the syntax is a new list name equal to list starting and ending followed by an expression and then an iterable condition, then a normal condition. Now let us divide this one and let us explain. First and foremost, I will explain this iteration, then expression, and then what is this decision making. First of all, iterable. So this iterable is useful for iteration over the any object. That is, how many times a list have to perform the operation that can be defined by this iterable. So this iterable defines that how many times an operation can be performed. Where this operation should be performed is that is onto the expression. The expression is the current item in the iteration and the outcome. That is, whenever the iteration is in the iterable, then this expression have to be performed. After performing the expression, then the value is going to be appended onto the new list. So what is this decision making? This condition is purely optional. So the condition is purely optional. This condition acts as like a filter. For example, if you want to take any odd numbers from this iteration, such as if I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this range, if we go for the for loop, I value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you use this condition as some only odd numbers, then we can get the 1, 3, 5. For the filtration of this iterable, we can use this condition. Is this condition is a compulsory? No, it is an optional one. Look at here. Whenever the iterable is in the item is available in the iterable, then the respective expression is going to be evaluated. So this expression will be evaluated only once for each item. For each item, that the expression is going to be evaluated once. Let us take the examples. Print 1 to n numbers in a list using the list comprehension. Before going to do this one, I will use the normal list concept. So n equal to input of enter n value. So if I take the n value as 5, I have to get my output as the list with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am taking a list li equal to empty list. So for I in range of n. When I take the range of n, then it considers the range of 5. Range of 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what I am telling, my program is create a list with 1 to n numbers. Means 1 to n numbers means I have to take it as the range of n plus 1 and the range should start from the 1 onwards. That means 1 comma 6. So the range of 1 comma 6 goes up to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. These elements have to be appended onto my li. Now what I am going to do is every iterable in the range, I am going to do that li dot append of I. That is, whenever the first iteration, the I becomes 1. 1 is going to append it to the my list. Then in the second iteration 2. 2 is going to append it. That is, in the first time 1 will be there. When the I value becomes 2, then 2 will be appended. Then whenever the 3 value will be appended, then 4 appends, then 5. After that, I am going to print my list. Run, enter n value 5. Look at here, 1 2 3 4 5. The purpose of creating a list and appending the elements, we have taken statement 1, second one, third one. So this is a normal practice, but with the list comprehension, how can we do means, so first of all I will take n equal to int of input of enter n value, that is 0 to create a list with 1 to n values using list comprehension. Now after taking the n, I have to take a list li equal to an empty list. In this list, where our iteration have to be done for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. That is, whenever my I value is available in this range, then I am going to write the expression as the I simply. That is, the I value is going to be appended to the list li directly. Now print of li. Run. Look at here, same answer. So from this normal way, we have used the 3 statements, but in the list comprehension, we have used the single statement. That is, the IEEE have to be written at the right side, and first we have to write the expression what we want to store. Now, next example, printing the numbers from 1 to n minus 1 using if condition when you have 1000 numbers. Now, n equal to int of input of enter n value. I have taken n value. Now I am taking that. What we have to do? We have to print up to 1 to n minus 1. That is li equal to I in range of 1 comma n. Now what you have to do? If you have the numbers greater than 1000, so where we have to print up to n minus 1 only we have to print. If I less than or equal to n, what we have to do? We have to append I. So print of li. Let us take it as a 1 comma instead of 1 comma n. I will take the 1000. So out of 1000 element means it is going to take from the 1 comma 1000. So 1 to so on down up to 999 it is going to take in. But until how much I am going to insert? Up to only the I value is less than or equal to n, I am going to append. Run. So if I append 10, now look at here, 1 to 10 has been appended instead of range having the 1 to 1000. This is the condition where it is useful. In the square of the numbers. For example, if you want to create a list with the squares of the numbers, what we do? N equal to int of input of enter n value. So for each and every number, squares equal to, I am going to do that for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, because 0 square is 0. What I am going to do is, I am going to do that I into I. So print of square. The first iteration I value is 1. 1 into 1 will be appended. Then 2. 2 into 2 will be appended. 3 into 3. 4 into 4. Run. 5. Look at here. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Now you may get a doubt that if you are having a list like this, a sublist, is it possible to append the elements to this sublist? Yes, it is possible. How can we append? So this is a simple one. Now I am taking the a equal to n equal to int of input of enter how how many elements? How many elements? Or simply I will take it as the columns, and rows equal to int of, no need, rows no need. So A equal to list comprehension for I in range of T. Range of T. That is the first range, that is the outer range means 0, 1, 2. So total how many rows it is going to be created? It is going to be created 3 rows like this. For each and every row, what you have to do? You have to append a respective sublist. So I am doing that. Int of input of enter sublist value. So sublist value have to enter for I in A in range of calls. I will take that as enter value. Enter value for j in range of calls. That is for the 0th iteration, that is 0th row, these many columns, as many of elements will be appended. For the first one, it is going to append that many columns into the matrix. Now print of A, run. How many elements you want to enter in each sublist? I want 3. So the first iteration, it is asking me to enter the values 1, 2, 3. Then again in the second iteration, so 4, 5, 6. Again in the third iteration, 7, 8, 9. So after that, we don't have any other things. Look at here, a sublist, another sublist, another sublist. This is the concept of list comprehension using Python.